working, Z.
That didn't work either, but sure did make her laugh. Let's try that idea again. Wait, I got a better idea. Okay, yeah, follow the car.
Z, how about this? How about your toothbrush? She loves toothbrushes. Have her follow the toothbrush.
Follow the toothbrush. Do you want to get the toothbrush?
I think she's coming.
It's coming! It's coming! She's coming! Great idea, Mom! That wasn't even dumb! How do I go the other way, Aaliyah? Good.
Z, grab the toothbrush because it has toothpaste on it. We don't want her to put that in her mouth.
Aaliyah, grab the toothbrush!
It's okay. She's out of the kitchen now. I don't want her to get the toothpaste.
Oh. Okay.
Maybe if you can get her Umer's toothbrush from the bathroom.
No, that's super-duper-dumb.
What?
Cause you're a dumb belly.
Z. That's not a nice thing to say. Where'd you get the word dumb from anyway?
From a dumb bear.